Okay guys, in this video tutorial we will learn that how we can make different graphs of different colors within the MATLAB. For it, first of all, we need to write a matrix. So here we have given the name T to the matrix, and we can write 1, 12, 20, 14, 17, 10, 11, 8, and in the last we will write 12. So we have written a matrix. Now in order to draw a graph, we will use the command plot of t, and when we will run it, we can see that graph is of blue color. You can see that all the points are plotted and the graph is of blue color. You can also make grid on to show the grid. So run it and we can see that it is. Now if we want to change the color, that is, if you want a graph of red color, then write t comma r in inverted commas, and it will give you the graph of red color. If you need it in black color, you run it and it is of black color. If you want it to be of green color, then run it and it is of green color. If you want it to be of yellow color, then it is of yellow color. Now if you want it to be of magenta color, run it and it is of magenta color. Also, one more thing, that if you want a graph with these small spheres, then run it and you will get graph of it's like. If you want, if you place the stage, then run it and you can see that you have this type of graph. Also, if you put static here, you will have this type of graph. Okay, we can put some more things like what's called as, yes, we can put like static, and okay, we will try hash. Either hash will work. I think it's not, or it's not working. Okay, so this is for you, that you can make graph of different colors via this method. Okay, we will write C for cyan. Maybe, yeah, it is also what's called as displaying the graph in cyan color. So hopefully you got the concept. Now you can make graphs of different colors and of different types. So thanks for watching.